Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Comfy Org stream. How's everybody doing today? Hey, what's up, Allison?
Oh, super cool. Starting off strong. My mic was muted. Hello, everyone. Good to see y'all again. Good to see y'all.
Yeah, today we're going to play with closed source models and open source models and just run them all at the same time and take your requests. So yeah, start throwing prompts in the chat while we talk. Yeah, and we're going to just start running runs with basically all the different state-of-the-art video models and see where they stack up. Closed source, open source, all that kind of business. So yeah, let us spend the credits today and do some research for you. All right, I'm just jump right
And
over
let me
to the
just
demo.
also acknowledge the insane influx of launches and new models and new things that have rained upon this wonderful community in the last, I don't know, 2 weeks or so. Like, we've had, and have we hit a record? I think we should start a leaderboard internally where
I don't even know. This feels unprecedented, but it also feels like every Thursday to me now. But yeah, there has been just a massive influx of new tools. We're just here to help you make sense of it. Like nobody has time to actually go and play with every new model. We got LTX 2.5 yesterday. We got Minimax H3. Both of those are both open source and partner nodes API calls. So you can access them however you like, GPU, no GPU, comfy cloud to use the GPU, whatever makes sense to you. Oh, there's my light. So with all that being said, we also have this advent of closed source models like CDance 2.5 and Flux 3 and the H3 version and the partner nodes version of H3 and LTX 2.3. There's just a lot of options and a lot of different features. All the models kind of react to things differently. They all do things differently. They have strengths, they have weaknesses. And I think actually first, what I'm going to do is play back a video that we actually showed last week that has a comparison between the three state-of-the-art video models that are closed right now and LTX 2.3, which was all that was available at the time. But then today we're going to do a bunch of LTX 2.5 runs to see how that stacks up to these videos. But yeah, I'm going to run this clip now and then we can just watch it and talk about it. And then we'll jump over to the demo and start actually running some of these workflows to see what the videos they make. So let's just click over to the video. So this video is just comparing the four state-of-the-art models of the time with the prompt that you see here. In this case, 1980s detective show, Snake Detective, a giant snake running around in a trench coat solving mysteries. So the first three are closed source and the last one is open source.
Snake in a trench coat.
Did LTX just completely miss the snake entirely?
Yes. Sometimes LTX just makes whatever it likes. And again, this was a comparison of almost a bunch of current models and a last gen model because like LTX 2.3 is slightly older.
At first light, the office chair begins its annual migration. At first light, the office chair begins its annual migration across.
As the first light of dawn breaks, we witness a rare and fascinating.
So already we're seeing CDance, Flux, and
9970s of office wildlife.
Like already we're seeing Flux, CDance, and Minimax as clear winners in the sort of prompt adhesion, quality, all that stuff. But the one thing you'll notice is Flux 3 is editorializing the prompt quite a bit. These prompts are very simple. They're just sort of era, name of show, description of show. Flux is absolutely taking that and just running with it. CDance is just kind of, it's making exactly what I asked for, which means you really need to expand the prompt to get what you want at a CDance. And a similar thing with H3. However, H3 rides a line right in between where it's pretty good at just like expanding your prompt for you, but it also is extremely good at adhering to what you said. So that's one thing I want to say about these videos before we go on is that these prompts are very short and they're tuned mostly for Flux 3 and to see what they do with the rest of the models. If I were to give much more expansive prompts to CDance 2.5, Minimax H3, and LTX, even LTX 2.3 at the time, I would get a much cleaner result pointed more towards what I asked for. So these are more like pie in the sky prompts, like exploratory prompts. Yeah, basically.
Reuniter finds your missing match. The sock reuniter finds your missing match.
They're all hitting the right levels of unhinged that I love.
If the home match is odd socks.
Pardon our intrusion.
Question for you, Purz.
Yeah.
So if you were to give each of these models like a super long, really expansive prompt, like to what extent does Flux kind of do its own editorializing then? Like who listens? Who listens the best?
No, they all listen very well. Like if you give those big long prompts to Flux, it absolutely does the thing. It does what the other models does.
Interesting.
It does what the other models do.
Correct.
Does. But the
do.
Yeah, the nice thing is Flux is really good at just taking it and running with it, and the other ones not so much. But yeah, that's a lot of people have their own prompting guides and systems in LLMs and agents and stuff. So they're used to writing large prompts anyway to get what they want. So I think that's a practice that is still valid and carries over.
Yeah. Is that something that you could use the local MCP for?
Oh yeah. It's actually one of the primary uses for me now is it's just really good at prompting. So I'll just, spit some concepts and then I'll have it like expand into those worlds and just like, hey, like take these sort of these pillars or concepts that I have and start building within start coloring within the lines, basically. It's really good at that.
Terribly sorry, after you.
At least they're polite.
Songs to vacuum to. The bargain collection that puts a little Songs to vacuum to. The bargain collection that puts a little boogie.
The shag shuffle. I actually hate this one.
Get
It's
ready
super
to clean
creepy.
to the hits with the ultimate bargain compilation.
Wow. So many track threes. That's awesome.
Mhm. Hey, when a song's good, you play it 7 times on the record, okay?
Right.
All right, let's just go
Naturally.
over to Comfy. This is just nonsense. All right, friends, this is the workflow. I'm not even going to give you this workflow because it's expensive to run, but that's not why we're running it today. Today we're running it because it has Flux 3 text to video. It has CDance 2.5. It has Minimax H3. It has LTX 2.5. These are all partner nodes versions. Then it also does a LTX 2.5 text to video open source run. And then it does a Minimax H3 open source run. So we get a whole bunch of videos to compare. We get to compare the open source versions versus the closed source versions of the same model, plus Flux and CDance. So
What can't she do this workflow?
Yeah,
Jeez.
exactly. It's a big one. And I wasn't really sure how to present it because it's rather awkward, but whatever. Maybe we do one of these. I don't know. Anyway, this is the workflow, y'all. And all we're doing here is we're setting the prompt in a single place over here on the side. We're sending that string out to every other prompt. Our connection thing seems to be messed up here, but basically you just connect it to every prompt input. And then that way it's the same prompt for every single run. So that's all we're doing here is we're distributing this one single prompt across all these nodes. Then I just went in and made sure they're all sort of 16:9, 5 seconds, 720p, just so that we have a somewhat similar comparison pipeline. Now, Minimax does 2K, Flux does 1080p, CDance 2.5 does 720p. The point is, a lot of these models can do higher quality, but with that comes more cost and that sort of thing. So it's usually good to iterate at 720, 480, whatever you feel. Whatever you feel like. So yeah, let's just start running some prompts and see how it goes. I already ran one just before the stream, so we can just explore that one right away. So
what was the original prompt here?
The prompt here is 1980 sitcom called "What Did Greg Say?" And nobody can figure out what Greg said, and it's getting weird.
Tight.
Tight. All right. Why didn't that work? Okay, go. So this is Flux 3.
I said the refrigerator knows my name. I said the refrigerator knows my name.
All right.
I said the refrigerator.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you.
This is Dance 2.5. I don't think Greg said anything like polite or I think Greg said something real bad there. All right, this is Minimax H3.
Whoa.
Werble Flarm Schnabel Grack?
What did Greg say?
Werble Flarm Schnabel Grack?
What did Greg say?
What did Greg say?
Werble.
I think Greg's gonna like this. Yeah, this is a horror movie.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
went from sitcom to horror movie real fast.
I like how literally it interpreted the prompt. It's getting weird.
It's getting weird
Because
Yeah.
just look
It
at
definitely got
Greg's
weird.
styling. Why is he holding a hot dog bun with no hot dog in it? It's really weird.
I think it's even worse. I think it's actually a sandwich with just the crust of the bread on top of it. Like I don't even think.
Oh yeah. This definitely is a horror movie because only a murderer would do that.
This is LTX 2.5 Pro. This is the partner knows version.
I swear he said pickle! Did you say pickle, dear?
No! I didn't say pickle! I don't know either.
I swear he said pickle! Did
All
you
right.
say pickle, dear?
No! I didn't say pickle! I don't know either.
I swear he said
I don't know either.
I have no words.
Yeah, I think he said pickle. So this is the open source version of LTX 2.5. Oops. Okay, well, they can't all be winners. And this is the open source version of Minimax.
Nobody can figure out what Greg said, and it's getting weird.
That's just the
Nobody
dialogue.
can figure out what Greg said, and it's getting weird.
It's getting weird. I actually like this one a lot.
Wait, which model was that one?
So that was Minimax H3 open source.
Okay.
So yeah, let's put those two maybe side by side. So those are that's Minimax. Maybe we can do it this way: Flux and then Dance, and then LTX. So let's move these ones over here, and then we'll move LTX down one. Sorry, y'all, bear with me for a second. Just trying to make this make a little bit more sense, and then we'll put the open source version down here, and that way they're all sort of in rows. So we have, Flux 3, ByteDance, Minimax open source, LTX open source. Hopefully that makes sense, people. Just shout if you don't know which one it is you want us to repeat something. And yeah, also drop some prompts, y'all. Drop some
Yeah, what do you guys want to
prompts.
see?
What do you want to, you gotta run all of them. GG, ridiculous comparison. You need to adjust the prompt for each requirements. Hey, listen, I agree with you. And if you want, we can set that up. Let's go nuts. We're going to learn some workflow stuff today, friendos, because
Who's got a prompt for us?
GR2PX won't let it go. All right. How do you mold the prompts so that they make sense for each model in Comfy, right? We use LLM nodes for that. We have partner nodes for that. You can use Quen for that if you want. And there's a million ways to do it. I am just going to use Gemini because it's really, really fast. In that case, what we need to do is make a system prompt for each prompting style for each model. So that's not actually that hard to do. And in fact, you can have your agent do that, but we're just going to do it really quick ourselves. So all we need to do is just make a Gemini node, Google Gemini. Okay, we have a Google Gemini node. If we go show advanced inputs, we're going to actually get the system prompt for this node. So this is where we're going to tell the node what we want it to do. We're going to tell the LLM what we want it to do. This is where we're going to put the prompting guide. And then this prompt, we're just going to feed it our original prompt. And the system prompt will ask it to expand the prompt based on the prompt's prompting guide. So let's go Google ByteDance. I'll just do CDance 2.5 prompting guide. I might have to share. Can you guys see that? Oh, no, you can only see my tab.
Yeah.
Share this. Okay. Official release. We'll just try and find their prompting guide.
We got a prompt from my friend Stekop. Give us Godzilla mowing his lawn on his island.
Oh, sure. Let's run that while we figure out this.
But will it actually give us Godzilla?
It might fail.
Right?
We'll find out.
Yeah, let's see. Thank you for your prompt suggestion, Stekop.
Godzilla mowing the lawn on his island. Gently. Calmly. Okay, I'll run this one as is, and then we'll just add in our prompt thingies as we go. So let me slide over to, so let's get that cook. I'll slide over to, just find it, prompting tab. Dramina CDance prompting guide. Wow, there's a whole CDance skill. You could have your agent do this. This is actually a very good use case for MCP.
Yeah.
If you want to go hard with this kind of thing, like you could definitely set this up with your MCP. Today, I'm literally just going to ask my Claude to ingest and give me a style guide kind of thing. So let's go Claude. I know you can't see
Our
this.
friend Eli in the chat has asked, can I connect my normal Gemini subscription or do I need a special API for that?
Through Comfy Cloud, you have to use our Comfy account. For connecting through our nodes. Oh yeah, so make me a system prompt to enhance prompts using this prompting guide. So basically that's all it is. You just ask for that. It's going to go cook. So we'll do that for all of them. And then what we'll do is we'll have a system prompt. Share this tab instead. Oh, Minimax hit the copyright wall on Godzilla.
Oh.
I wonder if we disable the partner node version, if it'll allow us to do it on the open source version.
Ooh, let's find out.
Question. If anyone wonders how I just made these nodes go all invisible, I selected them both by holding Control. I dragged to box select the two nodes. Then I let go. And I hit Control B to bypass. Control B. Or Command B on the Mac. When you don't want these nodes to run, that's how you bypass them in the run. See, now we reran the run without these nodes active, and it's working. So anytime an error, something like that happens with a multi thing, or you want to bypass a node, that's how you do it. You can do single nodes as well. Just simply click on it and hit Control B or Command B on a Mac. And that's how you bypass. All right. Is there a system prompt? Okay. Yeah. Keep cooking, Claude. We'll just let Claude cook.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, I think I'm still sharing.
What are you running this on? What's your machine?
This is a AMD 9950, I think, with NVIDIA 5090.
Nice.
And I think 96 gigabytes of RAM.
How much RAM? You kind of
96 gigabytes. Gigabytes. Oh, look at that. He's using a hand mower, like a not an electric one, but like like a physical mower. It's so gentle and peaceful. Great job, Godzilla.
No, this is very comfy, cozy. Like,
yeah, he's very, for a guy who destroys Tokyo all the time, he's very environmentally conscious.
No, I see that. Which model was this? Sorry.
So this is Minimax Local.
Oh.
That one's really, really good.
Wow, I love it.
Oh, Flux 3 was like, nah, I know what Godzilla is, and I'm not making that. What was the error? Request moderated. Okay. A large green. How would we describe Godzilla?
A large green dinosaur-like monster.
Like monster mowing the lawn on his island. Rar indeed. All right, let's unpack this and see if it can do not Godzilla. Can someone describe Temu Godzilla for us? Oh boy. Look at all this crap. Okay, copy. Paste. Okay, I just pasted in all the crap that Claude gave me to make a C dance. Yeah. You are a prompt engineer for C dance. You are not a chatbot. Your output is prompts. Okay, great. That's fantastic. So now we can actually hide the advanced and then just have this as our sort of prompt enhancer. We can call it CDance 2.5 prompt enhancer. So then if we just plug our string in from our original prompt in as this prompt, this should spit out a prompt that is optimized for CDance 2.5, which means we can plug it into here. But we can also do a preview as text node. And this will actually show us what this node is saying on the way out. So it's good to have a sort of preview node for text. And this is the process we're going to just do it for the rest of them. So we have our CDance prompt injector. Now we're going to do H3. No, we'll do, well, I guess we don't really need to do Flux because Flux just kind of does the thing. Oh, wow.
Oh, it looks like another one finished over there. Oh.
Adorable. Nah, right into the water. That's not good. This Godzilla is less environmentally conscious.
Very much so. But I do like the Yoshi's Island energy that it's giving me.
I know. It does. This very Saturday morning cartoon. Oh.
Is this H3 open source? Which one is this?
This is LTX 2.5 open source. That one was H3 open source.
Oh, okay. Got it.
And this is LTX closed source.
Like, where did the hat come from?
It's pretty sick. Is it because he's on a golf course?
Oh, maybe so. I mean, the settings are definitely giving Hawaii resort with golf course.
This one's great.
He's making crop circles. I've always wondered how those were made.
What does he eat? No, we shouldn't think about it. So that was the partner nodes version of H3. I bet you'd get a similar output with this. It's just we're just siege jet diving here, so it's sort of like whatever. Oh, wow, I think that's made them the dad from the Dinosaurs TV show.
Very dinosaur-y. Aw.
Flux nailed it as usual.
Wow. Yeah, it's definitely got it even nailed the Yoshi's Island theme song energy.
Okay, so we were making a H3 prompter. Okay, H3 Minimax prompting guide. Got it. I'm just going to have it ingest run diffusions because it's faster. Okay, now make one for Minimax H3. All right, I'll
Were you
inject that
typing
once it's done. Yeah, I decided to do it in the other tab. Switch
okay,
the
okay.
tab over. I'm just using Claude, y'all. All right, C dance. Like inarguably the highest quality.
Yeah.
Although he looks a little more grassy than dinosaur-y. I would watch that whole movie though, I think.
Yeah, no, that one was cute. He has like pretty detailed scales and everything. I liked his furrowed brow.
Seeing if anyone else give us any prompts.
You know,
I don't want to run the Matrix one because movie stuff.
IP, yeah. Wait, so it's interesting that we said a large green dinosaur-like monster, and all of these ended up being so cute. Is that what you expected based on your extensive prompting experience?
Like it really depends on what the model's trained on. Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't call any of these monster. They were all so sweet.
I think a dinosaur took over way before monster.
Yeah.
A photorealistic samurai in armor sitting on the chair in the middle of the Roman Colosseum. Sure, why not?
Let's see. Yeah, what is going on with your mic?
What is there? Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, I mean, from my side, it sounds fine. Maybe mine's feeding back or something.
Somebody in the chat said there's something wrong with my mic.
Yeah, let us know what you're hearing, Neo Futuro AI. If we have time, we got another interesting prompt here. This one from Spirit Form 111, stop motion animation of an astronaut on the moon. Or AXA 0729 looking for anything with action, like a car drifting, sharp punch or something. I do
sharp punch on a drifting car.
Yeah, why not? I do love an action scene.
Cars. Yeah. Okay, LTX done first. Let's do LTX 2.5, text to video, partner nodes. Yep, that's a photorealistic samurai sitting in a chair in the Colosseum. Open source. LTX 2.5. Mumbling? All right, that's Minimax H3. Jordan, I'm Canadian. All right, bud. We don't enunciate. In case y'all are wondering, I do know Jordan. I'm not just yelling at someone randomly.
I was like, damn, we're just yelling at chat today? Okay.
Jordan's an old-timey friendo. He's been in the AI thing longer than me, I think. Minimax went CGI. Yeah, they did. Just waiting for these other ones to finish. All right, let's check out Minimax again. Oh, I like this one. Although the costume looks like a little low rent,
Yeah.
like
It's
high
a-
school production.
Also, I question the decision to make the samurai a white dude.
Well, it's like Josh Brolin is one of the finest samurais who's ever lived. You know, the samurai, like Tom Cruise.
Like Tom Cruise? Yeah. Ugh.
This is Sea Dance. Sea Dance did a very good job on this one.
Wow.
This one's very cool. I like when he moves. That's super creepy.
Yeah. And the sound too.
Yeah. Like a statue crinkling.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is Flux. Flux gave us exactly what we asked for.
Yeah.
So this one actually ran through the, I think it ran through this, did it not? Maybe that was the last run. I didn't get an output. That's weird.
Huh.
This must have been the run before. We had that hooked up. Okay, let's go check out. Oh, it's done my Minimax prompt enhancer. So I'm going to go start a new Gemini node. Google Gemini. And remember, we open up advanced inputs and we go look for the system prompt. And that's where we paste in the thing. Oh, thanks, Neo. I'll check it out. I think I just got to get my face right into the microphone. Sorry, y'all. It's going to get real intimate.
Should we didn't invest in ASMR mic for you instead?
Yeah. Just like scratching it while I'm diffusing. I'll go get my nails done all nice and long.
Yeah. This is a prompt generator.
Scratching the mic. I think that's a move, honestly. We'll do that on Halloween.
Ooh. I
We
like
have to do a
that.
spooky stream on Halloween.
Spooky.
Okay, so I've got my prompt enhancer in. This is the Minimax one. Let's call it the Minimax H3 prompt enhancer. I guess we should just make these like blueprints maybe, eh? Y'all have given me a very interesting idea. Maybe we should make some prompt enhancers and make them things that you can search for in like in here, in here, you know?
Mm.
Oop, like we got something still up on the thing. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so sorry, we're building this while we talk, but I think it's good sometimes to see how to do this kind of stuff. So we have our prompt enhancer. We're also going to send that enhanced prompt into the open source version as well to make sure that we're sending the same prompt to both of them. And then at the same time, we should just make, I don't know if there is an LTX 2.5 prompting guide yet. Let me check.
Let's see.
Oh, there is. Nice job, guys.
Wow.
Good job, Lightrix. Congratulations on the launch, by the way. If you're watching, this is such a cool thing to have. So many new video models. Who has time?
Yeah, I saw somebody on a Reddit thread yesterday, just like naming out all of the recent releases and model launches and asking, when will I have time to pee? And I connected with that.
Yeah, for real.
So let's run this
Okay.
one, but we've also got a few other prompt suggestions, including
What about that?
wild animals partying at a pool, action shots like a car drifting.
Okay, let's do the wild animals partying at a pool.
Okay.
Okay, so our enhancers are enhancing. This is actually very valid. What Sean just said. If you have enough GPU power, you are absolutely capable of running your own LLMs on your computer. I don't think it actually. I think we just got hit by the bug. Oh no, they're still cooking. How are they still cooking? I have questions. How could these possibly be running if they don't have a prompt yet? Sorry, y'all. I'm very confused. There's no prompt. These might just be complete nonsense. Let's see what we get. Anyway, what were we just talking about?
Oh,
yes, usually Olama custom nodes. You can run your own LLMs on your computer and then access them via Comfy with nodes and stuff. Like you could run your own API endpoints. There's also nodes that run the Qwen 3 VL stuff locally. So if you have enough GPU power, you have enough VRAM, you can offset the costs of using these Gemini nodes by literally using a local LLM to do this kind of stuff. These kind of prompt enhancement calls, you can do them with any kind of model. And what Sean's talking about here is the obliterated models. They're completely uncensored. So not only for making, bad stuff or whatever, but the point is they won't send you back a prompt that says, oh, I can't do that when you ask for like an action movie scene or something. So it's sort of a way of getting around the like PG restrictions of some of the models when you want to make like action movies and restricted content and stuff like that. So yeah, something to consider. Yep. Open router as well. There's a lot of places that have like these LLM calls that you can use. All right then.
Wow.
So that was LTX 2.5. That was really good, but that feels like it's right from a movie or something.
Yeah, this looks exactly like Madagascar, I think.
Open source. Went pretty realistic with it.
It definitely took the total chaos part of the prompt and ran with it.
So this is Minimax H3 open source. I really like that one. I love the infinity pool with the giraffes on the end of it.
Yeah, but the giraffes are sipping from coconuts that are not resting on anything.
They were at the beginning. Oh no, they weren't. Oh no, they weren't. Oh no, they weren't.
Aw.
At least they're at the bar here.
Yeah, nothing about this feels like total chaos. We're missing zebras, but I still love it.
This is Sea Dance. Wow.
Yo.
That's pretty impressive. And Flux. That lion's very buoyant.
It's a saltwater pool.
Well, sorry, what was the other one? Oh yeah, like a car drifting.
Oh yeah, let's see if I can find
down
that.
Dark Tokyo Street at 3 a.m. Police chase. Let's try an action scene.
Yeah.
So I for whatever reason, I'm not seeing the output, but it very clearly did the thing. So I think we're okay. This must be a display problem that it's not showing the output. Very strange.
Oh, Comfy Rob in the chat with a...
Oh, I know that guy.
Yeah, he's aight. Fun fact with LTX 2.5, you can use a load clip node, and that will help to advance your prompt specifically for LTX.
Oh, that's super helpful.
Yeah.
We should make a workflow that does that, Rob. We'll have Rob on the stream more often. He was supposed to be on the stream yesterday. He just forgot. So you guys can roast him in the chat.
Comfy Rob's time is extremely valuable, and there were a lot of workflows to be made for a lot of models this week. So let's cut our boy a break. But Comfy Rob, thank you for joining us today because you always come with the fire. I mean, this is super helpful.
100%. All right, Minimax H3 local open source is done. Again, please remember I'm rendering at 720. If you render these at, or 768 for this, if you render these at higher res, they're going to look better if you're seeing stuff on the stream, because we're doing this for speed, not quality. Like if we were sitting here doing my highest quality runs, it would take forever.
The fastest and most furious runs possible. Real quick though, Purz, can you remind me what was the prompt for this one that you used?
Oh, this one is a car drifting down a dark Tokyo street at 3 a.m., comma, police chase. And then it's being expanded into these prompts for the other ones as well. For this one, but I'm not getting the results. I can't tell you what the final result is for these ones, but you know, sure what's going on there. All right, so that was Minimax open source. Let's check out LTX open source. I do that all the time. Put my car around 180 degrees.
That one was weird. Like, I feel like I didn't see the car fully come around. It just
no,
appeared
it
in
just
the other direction.
immediately turned 180 degrees. It's the best kind of 3-point turn. It's a 1-point turn. Here's the Partner Nodes Pro version. That's just a lot of screeching. Let's turn the audio off. Holy cow. Looks
very
good.
video gamey to me.
Yeah.
Like
Let's
the
check out
surroundings.
Minimax. Yeah, the buildings. Yeah, that can happen with the models. They're focused on this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check out the Minimax Partner Nodes version. Just to recap, the open source version looked like this. We are dropping a node tomorrow, friends. It is a H3 upscaler that uses the H3 context and 2K modules from the closed source version to upscale your 768p open source runs. So we're going to build a workflow that does open source 768p runs and then upscales them through this the partner node. And it should be cheaper to actually generate them that way than to just generate straight up 2K gens. So if this is something you're interested in, or if you have a bunch of H3 768p local gens you have that you want to upscale, this will be a really cool way to use it. So yeah, we're going to have that out tomorrow morning, I think around 8 a.m. PST. So we'll bop that workflow in there for y'all, and you can try it out and let us know how it works out. I tried it a little bit. It's pretty cool. I love the idea of being able to use the modules, even if they didn't release them for open source, you can still access them and use them at a fraction of the cost. Yeah, that'll be tomorrow, Rish. We're aiming for tomorrow. Wish us luck. All right. C-Dance 2.5. This one's going to be a banger. I can already tell. I like this little ballet they're doing. They're not trying to hit each other. They're trying to do like some formation driving.
Yeah. Honestly, so clean. I mean,
yeah, that one's insane. That could be a movie.
Yeah, like the background and the environment looks so realistic, and I love how it ends with that tunnel shot. Like, fire.
Yeah, you can even pause it and it's not too janky.
Yeah.
A lot of these don't hold up to the pause. This looks like a video game. Let's check out Flux. I would play this game. That looks really fun.
I love how all the police cars are just like parked on the side, though.
Yeah, they're just hanging out.
Like, oh,
we assure you, you're under arrest. Passive aggressive cops. Oh, Passive aggressive cops. Does anybody have any prompts before I do that?
You know, somebody, let's see if I can find it. Somebody had asked about dialogue. Let's see.
Okay, yeah.
If I can find that. So if we could do something that includes
Two people
dialogue.
sitting in a cafe across from each other. Person 1. It was you, right? Person 2. No way, man. I didn't fart. Let's see. I bet you thought that was going to be dramatic. No, nobody thought that.
It's not dramatic. I mean,
oh, yeah, it could be. Yeah, it could be the straw that ended this relationship. We don't know.
our pal Spirit Form is asking about animation styles like stop.
Oh yeah, let's try that.
Yeah, can we? I actually would be curious to see that. I feel like we've done a lot of hyper realistic and a lot of Yoshi's Island, but let's.
Yeah, I like that idea. Do like a little stop motion animation, see how it goes. Two passive aggressive cops sitting in a cafe. I should have done that. You're right. You're right. That would have been much better. So how'd you fight? What is this stream? I'm sorry, everyone.
No, this is great. I'm having fun. I think others are having fun.
That's the important part. As long as we're having fun. All right, Mini Max.
No. It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
No.
Nice.
It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
No.
Great job. That
It was you, right?
That was Mini Max open source. Great job.
Oh. Right.
Great work. All right, let's try LTX open source.
It was you, right? No way, man. I didn't fart.
Ooh, passion.
Oh.
It was you, right? No way, man. I didn't fart.
Yeah, me neither, dude.
It was you, right?
I feel it. Let's check LTX partner notes. Oh, I had a
Wait, man, I didn't fart.
It was you, right?
Is
No
she
way,
right?
man, I didn't fart.
She's vibrating with rage.
Yeah, truly.
It was you, right?
No way, man, I didn't fart.
She's over it.
Super over it. I love how one of the other people at the table like looked over as she screamed fart.
It was you, right?
No way, man, I didn't fart.
Just kind of like,
It's like a double take.
Yeah.
That's really good. So this is H3 open source. Oh, we saw that one. This is H3 closed source.
It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
It
Relax,
was you,
bro.
right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
Nah, he overreacted too much. He definitely did it.
Yeah. That was defensive if I've ever seen one.
C Dance 2.5.
It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
It was
Oh,
you, right?
so not believable, my dude.
No way, man. I didn't fart.
This guy gotta go back to acting school.
Guilty.
Flux.
It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
It was you, right?
No way, man. I didn't fart.
Too much hesitation. He definitely
Way too
farted.
much hesitation. For sure guilty.
So we want to try claymation.
So going back to the dialogue question, since I kind of misspoke when I brought it back up, but Camelot Lives or Lives says, it was my question about dialogue. I was asking if there's a way to make character nodes with dedicated voices, or if we are essentially waiting to be able to use Laura's to make cartoons.
I would, if you have footage of your characters speaking with their voices, I would train a LTX 2.5 LoRa on that footage, on clips on that footage, and then you will be able to use those characters in new generations with their voices. We've seen this a lot in LTX 2.3. A lot of the LTX 2.3 LoRa's that are trained on characters, their voices are also trained in as well. So when you go and prompt for them, you can make them say things in their voices. It is endlessly hilarious. I have a whole series of He-Man and Skeletor videos where they're just saying absolutely bonkers shit to each other because LTX will let you just do that. So yeah, that would be my recommendation. If you already have characters that have personalities, train LTX LoRa's on them, and then you don't have to deal with anything. You can just load that LoRa up and prompt for what you want, and it's really fun.
Why do you recommend LTX specifically? Like, have you tried the same approach with other models?
None of the other models let you train them. H3 might do it, but we it's too new. Nobody knows yet.
Gotcha. Thanks for the question, Camelot.
Mm-hmm. The other answer to that is if you have a target voice and performances, you can actually just use like 11 Labs or Chatterbox or any of the open source ones to clone your voice or clone that voice onto your performance. So if you were like, you can perform the thing and then apply that voice to the performance, and then you could do a audio to video run where you make a generation from the audio. Yeah, there's a bunch of different ways to tackle this problem. Yeah, super interesting. It's a fun problem. It really is. So I tried a claymation video of a doggo eating a hamburger on the beach. This is adorable. This is LTX. Yep, LTX open source, LTX 2.5.
Oh,
it's too big for him.
It is.
Poor guy. Wow.
Whoa. Very Wallace and Gromit.
That's LTX 2.5 Pro. Minimax H3 partner nodes version. Whoa, he had a different tongue. Oh, maybe that was a.
Oh no, you're right.
Let's just call it ketchup, so it's not weird.
Two tongues and zero eyes.
It made the exact same dog on open source and crazy. So this is the open source version.
Same tongue issue.
Wow. I think it's ketchup.
I think you're right.
C-Dance 2.5. Oh, look at the little hands.
Easily my
winner.
favorite.
Yeah, winner. Make this movie right now. I'd watch it all.
Aw.
Flux. That's like the bite sound from every cartoon.
Yep.
Yeah. Nailed it.
So cute.
So which one did the best claymation though? Like which one did the best stop motion? Hard to say. Hard to say. They're really cute though.
Yeah, I like the Seed Dance 2.5 one. I mean,
yeah.
the colors
are
feel like,
outrageous too.
Yeah. Like it took the claymation thing so far. Like it really does look clayey on the dog and the background. And I like that this doggo has a little expression.
Yeah, you could tell he's hungry. His little tags, his little tail is wagging.
Yeah. And he looks like a wiener dog. My favorite.
I just love that he's just holding it like. Very, very cool. All right, let's do one more and then we'll call it a day, y'all. What do you want to see? What do you want to see, y'all? What do you want to see?
Let me see if there are any other. Let's see. You want to go back to the passive aggressive cops?
Oh, yeah. 1980s sitcom. No, detective drama. Passive aggressive cops. Two police officers are very bad at expressing their anger, and it comes out in an extremely passive aggressive way. I'm just so curious what it does. Like what does this mean to the model? Well, friends, that's pretty nonsensical. I don't even think I got the LTX prompt enhancer built, but yeah, that was the whole concept there is to build your system prompt and then just feed prompts through it. So you can do this with any LLM. We're just using Gemini because it's fast today. I love watching it make the video. Like this is what you get to see the preview of it actually like building the video in latent space.
While we wait for that to cook, going back to our conversation earlier about Laura's and training animated characters and voices and things, our pal Lito Corleone is asking, when creating a 10-episode series, which offers better consistency for animation? Training a character Laura using Crea 2 image to video, or training an LTX character Laura?
So the Crea 2 image to video Laura. So Crea 2 will give you a Laura that is an image Laura, which is great for making starting frames and reference images. The LTX character Laura will be a video Laura of your character physically doing things, being animated, having their voice, all those things. So you get much better character consistency out of a video character model. But if you need to make starting images, storyboards, all that stuff with your character, the Crea 2 Laura is where I would start. So I think the path there is to make the Crea 2 Laura of your character, then use that to make videos of your character. Choose the videos that match your character's persona the best. Train the character LTX2 Laura on those clips, and that's pretty much you're starting fresh from your own creation at that point. Like, just standing on the shoulders of what the model has to offer, but it's your own character in the model. It's pretty great.
Awesome.
Yeah, local should show previews. Yep. Cloud does too. Only for local open source nodes, though. The partner nodes don't send back previews while they're running. All right. LTX 2.5, open source. Okay. He's the sigh guy. He just sighs and hopes the other guy understands. It is a form of passive aggression.
You did say they're not very good at communication.
Yeah, they're terrible at it. Yeah. All right, this is the closed source pro version. Yeah, they're just sighing. They're sigh cops. That's so funny. All right,
oh my
H3.
God, this mustache.
Yeah, this looks great. This is H3. Open.
I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things. I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things.
Oh my God, that smile.
I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things.
Oh my God.
Wow.
That is a winner.
Yeah, no, that one's the best.
Holy cow.
This was H3 open?
Yeah, and this will be H3 partner nodes.
I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things. I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at
Oh my God, that smile.
I know that grin.
I
at the
really
end.
prefer this guy though. He's so funny.
I just thought you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things.
That little head waggle. Oh my God. Good job, H3.
Wow.
All right, C-Dance.
I appreciate your generosity, Miller. I'll make sure to note it in my daily log. I appreciate your generosity, Miller. I'll make sure to note it in my daily log.
The reflection in the sunglasses?
I appreciate
Hello?
your generosity, Miller. I'll make
Wow.
sure to note it in my daily log.
What? That's my new profile pic. Flux.
Oh, no, you have it. You look like you need it. That is considerate. I would hate to take your last comfort. Oh, no, you look like you need it. That is considerate. I would hate to take your last comfort.
I would hate to take your
Oh,
last
no, you have
comfort.
it. You look like you need it. That is considerate.
Oh my God, I love it.
Wow. Wow.
This is a series, I think. Oh, I love this guy. I really love this guy, though.
Yeah,
I just thought
honestly,
you'd want the last drop, partner, since you're so good at finishing things.
Oh my God. Well, friends, thank you so much for hanging out. Thanks, Allison.
Yeah, no, this was super fun. Thanks everybody for tuning in, for your prompts, for your questions. This was a fun one. We should do this more often. It seems like, you know, the volume and velocity of releases and launches and new models and updates just simply won't stop. So
Yeah.
hopefully we'll do a part 2, part 3, part 4 of this in the future. Maybe we can even twist Comfy Rob's arm for him to come and join us next time.
Yeah, I think we can get Rob. I think we can get all the creatives to slide around. And I think it's like you said, it's important to take a break every now and then with all these models and actually use them. And that's what this sort of offers for me too, is like, I don't get a lot of time to actually sit and play with the models. So this is super fun for me. And if we can, expose some thoughts or tips and tricks to people while we're doing it, hey, so that's great. And thanks everyone for all your input. You guys do a lot of the research too, like the back and forth, super important. We appreciate when you call us out in the chat. Like it's not, we love it. Please bring it on, y'all. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the good vibes, everybody. See you next time.
Back on? When are we back on? What, next week?
Next week. Yeah. I need to get it up and published, but sure to be a good one. So stay tuned, everybody.
We're doing stuff.
We're doing things actually this time.
God, things and stuff. All right. Well, we'll see y'all next week.
All right. Take care, guys.
Friends.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.